Hi. Gareth and Janet.
Hi.
From Port Monkeys. And we're getting off the Island Princess today in Akureyri, Iceland. Some nice blue water out there. And that's the falls. Now I see people going down there. So I'm thinking we're going to have to go down there. And I'm going to move up just a little bit more so that you can see it. But there it is from up above. Going down. You can see the snow-capped mountains off in the distance. You can hear it, huh? It looks like burning rocks, doesn't it? Like a campfire of rock. And somebody in a yellow suit. So that was warm and steamy. Boiling hot water with a lot of minerals in it. We're getting off the ship today in Reykjavik, Iceland. It's raining a little bit here. Sprinkler falls, and that's the lower falls. And the lower falls are taller, but we can't really see where they're going to. Well, there it is. Of course, in a minute we're going to walk down that trail. What I thought was rain was actually mist from this. Here's Janet for comparison. So it's so misty you can't really see the bottom there. You can see the river going down there now. And the mist rising. Now we're up above. Down. Look at that. That's a pretty good sized waterfall. Get you as close as I can to it, which would be right here, where Jimmy is. And he cracked corn and I don't care. So this is the end of the rope, the end of the line. See lots of steam. It has a sulfur smell, although the wind's blowing it that way. It does say it's hot, so here's a bubbly one. Well, that shot up a few feet. Down inside there.
You gonna try to get a picture of it going, Mom?
Yeah.
Churn and earn.
Oh my goodness.
A burning funk.
Did you see the bubble? Wow. There it goes. Wow.
from Reykjavik, Iceland. This is Garrett
And Janet.
saying,
Port monkeys out.
see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye. It's raining. There's a little closer look at one of them.
It's less material coming up, but it's more powerful, like higher up.
The one keeps scratching its leg the whole time we've been here. Anyway, let's scoot in and touch a nose.